The microstrand technology is now looking for demonstrators. Demonstrators are individual clients that will receive 50% off and sometimes even receive the microstrand technology for free based on your level of experience demonstrating something. Now you will have to qualify, and here's why. Because we look for all different types of hair and different types of clients. Example, sometimes we want somebody with straight hair, sometimes with wavy hair, sometimes with curly hair or kinky hair. Sometimes we want clients demonstrating to have very long hair, sometimes mid-length hair, sometimes semi-short hair, sometimes very short hair. We need demonstrators that are male or female. So at times we're looking for different demonstrators, okay? So if you feel you qualify, contact us and you could become a microstrand technology demonstrator and receive the hair at 50% off or sometimes even up to free. So contact us and we'll give you all the details so you can make your hair fuller using the microstrand technology, which keeps your own hair safe and healthy and allows full access to your scalp. Something very advanced. Thank you.